The NAILBA Summer Symposium is all about leveraging sales, technology, and marketing, especially to navigate the new normal. Have you ever considered evolving your Social Security expertise? Today, we're going to give you 5 reasons to consider offering Social Security advisory services. Chartered as a retirement planning counselor through the College of Financial Planning, Martha Shedden is a registered Social Security analyst. She is the president and co-founder of the National Association of Registered Social Security Analysts. The Social Security claiming decision is more complex than many retirees and their retirement professionals may realize. Without a comprehensive and detailed analysis of claiming age scenarios, retirees can miss out on tens of thousands of dollars over their lifetime. This is a great opportunity for advisors and BGAs to really jump into this issue, and we have the foremost expert on it here with us today. So without further ado, please welcome Martha Shedden.
Hello, I'm Martha Shedden. Today we will be covering the reasons NAILBA members should consider offering Social Security advisory services. The Social Security claiming decision is more complex than many retirees and the retirement professionals working with them may realize. Without a comprehensive and detailed analysis of all claiming age scenarios, retirees can miss out on tens and even hundreds of thousands of dollars over their lifetimes. With over 75 million baby boomers, 10,000 of whom are reaching Social Security eligibility age every day, the current environment for expert Social Security advice has never been higher. NAILBA members with the Social Security expertise to provide advice on this universal retirement topic will differentiate themselves and their businesses. Deciding when to claim Social Security is definitely not a one-size-fits-all decision. No two claiming strategies are ever the same. Every retiree has their own special circumstances. Retirees are entitled to multiple benefits, perhaps a pension from non-covered work, minor or adult disabled children, and perhaps divorced spousal benefits. Unfortunately, the program is extremely complicated and confusing. It is one of the most daunting challenges of retirement. For many retirees, Social Security is the majority of their retirement income. It is their largest asset. So when and how they claim their benefits is often the biggest financial decision that they face. However, the largest percentage of Americans start collecting at age 62. And according to the 2020 Bipartisan Policy Center analysis, nearly 35% of men and 40% of women claim at 62, the earliest possible age, not understanding the long-term consequences of that decision. For some people, claiming early makes sense, but in many other situations, it definitely pays to wait. Other common times to claim are at age 65 when Medicare starts, and many people feel that that is the age of their full retirement for Social Security, but it's not. Another common time is that full retirement age, which ranges between 66 and 67, depending on the year that you were born. And finally, the latest that you can claim when your benefit will be as large as possible, and that is at age 70. Only a few percent, maybe 3 or 4% of retirees claim at that age. The issue of making a smart Social Security income election decision has become very important to all of us for many reasons. We're living longer. There's been a shift away from defined benefit pension plans to self-retirement funding, and we cannot count on specific investment returns from the market. Retirees have countless questions. They are desperate for personal help when making their claiming decision. For most retirees, the Social Security Administration is their main source of information, and yet Social Security is not allowed by law to provide personal claiming advice, and their information can also be incomplete or inaccurate. Therefore, almost all Americans do not take Social Security at the optimal time for their circumstances. They just don't have the knowledge, needed to make the best decision. 96% of people get less than they could have, and over $110,000 is lost by the average household over their lifetime. Consider too that we have only one chance to get it right, because when we claim, that's the benefit that we will receive for the rest of our lives. There's actually one do-over allowed, and that is known as withdrawing an application, and it can only be used within 1 year, the first 12 months of when you start collecting benefits. Using this withdrawal of an application requires you to pay back all the benefit income that you have received, but no interest is due on that money. In this webinar, you will learn how Social Security expertise will differentiate you and your business from your competitors, how it naturally leads to the need for assistance with other related retirement-related topics and products, how it can strengthen your current client relationships, easily attract new clients while helping to expand and scale your business, and is a valuable subject to continue on with your professional education development. So number one, differentiate yourself in your business. Consider first the need for Social Security expertise. An exceedingly small percentage, only 1 in 8 of Americans, feel that they are very knowledgeable about Social Security. And in a recent Simply Wise survey, only 1 in 300 could answer all 5 Social Security survey questions correctly. So by specializing in Social Security, you will be filling a vast unmet need. The guidance and feedback of an expert is highly prized and one of the most valuable products on the market. Particularly with Social Security, the market for expert education and advice about claiming benefits is extensive. Specialization also helps advisors become highly effective at serving their clients and increases their branding potential, with referrals converting 30% better than other forms of marketing. Becoming a Social Security expert. Adding this service to your practice requires little or no capital investment. Your education and proficiency on the topic, along with quality Social Security maximization software, are the most valuable investments you will make. As a trusted professional in the retirement market space, you should expect and encourage your clients to ask you about Social Security. If you are not able to help them, they may look elsewhere. As a Social Security expert, you will become the go-to advisor for this age group, and clients who are grateful for your expertise will refer others to you. By becoming a trusted Social Security advisor, you will quickly differentiate yourself and your business as the expert to turn to when questions arise about this topic, increasing your competitive advantage in the marketplace. Number two, other retirement topics and products. Consider the senior marketplace. The number of Americans 65 and older will increase from approximately 56 million today to over 78 million by 2035. With some 75 million baby boomers and 10,000 becoming eligible for Social Security every day, the demand for Social Security advice is and will continue to be unprecedented. For these retirees, making an optimal Social Security claiming decision is the first step in the retirement financial planning process. Social Security advisory services provide retirement professionals with a natural segue to other retirement services and products when helping retirees make smart choices as they age. A team of retirement professionals is the answer. Many of today's workers have been accustomed to managing their own investments and have not seen the need for an advisor. But the shift from decades of focus on accumulation and growth to developing a strategy of tax-efficient withdrawal is a major change and can lead to a first-time need for a professional advisor. This type of planning can involve a high number of constantly changing variables and may require the services of a team of other professionals in the retirement space. These include, as you know, taxes, Medicare, long-term care, life insurance, annuities, estate planning, and possibly even real estate and reverse mortgage specialists. There is real value in being able to answer your client's Social Security questions. So number 3, strengthening your client relationships. With over 2,700 rules governing the Social Security program, becoming a certified expert on the topic gives you the knowledge needed to provide them with the correct answers and information. As an established professional with existing clients, adding the specialized service of Social Security expertise is an excellent way to strengthen those relationships. In fact, your clients may already be asking you questions about Social Security. Many professionals simply refer their clients to the Social Security Administration for advice. And yet, Social Security representatives are not permitted to provide personal advice, only facts and information. Making an educated decision about claiming Social Security is even more important for women than men. Due to women having the longer life expectancy, lower lifetime earnings, and more time out of the workforce, and also being the likely survivor of a couple. So the need for women to obtain sound retirement advice is growing. Therefore, retirement professionals working with couples have an extraordinary opportunity to strengthen those relationships by providing Social Security advisory services and making sure their female clients are included in all couples' retirement financial planning decisions. Recognize the financial importance of Social Security for all your clients. Social Security should really be thought of as a retirement asset class of its own. In 2021, for instance, a worker who has earned the maximum taxable earnings over their career will collect $3,150 per month if they retire and begin collecting their Social Security at their full retirement age, which I mentioned before is somewhere between 66 and 67. If they wait to start collecting benefits until age 70, that monthly income will be over $4,100 per month or $49,200 annually. This can easily add up to over $2 million for couples who may live another 20 to 30 years. So ask yourself, what would it cost to purchase an annuity that would pay out this amount over your lifetime? Given the potential for increased benefits, only about 4% of retirees make the financially optimal Social Security claiming decision. The costs of those less than optimal decisions are high, especially for those at risk of not having enough income to cover even their basic living expenses. The payoff for waiting to claim Social Security can be significant. Benefits increase every month a fraction of a percent, which totals up to a rate of 7 to 8% per year that a retiree delays claiming between age 62 and 70. So waiting as long as possible to claim up to age 70 will increase the benefit to an amount 76% higher than if it was collected at age 62. Statistics clearly show that Social Security is a large and important retirement asset for the majority of seniors, yet it is not given the appropriate commensurate level of consideration and planning. Number 4, attracting new clients with your expertise. Attracting new clients by offering specialized Social Security services will begin with your existing book of clients and professional affiliations. There's nothing more powerful than an extensive network of others in your community who are aware of your skills and expertise and will refer people looking for your services. Becoming a thought leader in your community can be achieved by providing educational content on Social Security that clearly conveys you understand the topic and have a good grasp of the issues involved. In addition to writing such things as blog posts and articles, seminar and webinar presentations on Social Security are remarkably effective marketing tools. Your reputation as a trustworthy source who understands the details of Social Security and who wants to share that knowledge will establish you as a trusted expert advisor. People are more comfortable purchasing a service that they have been able to experience first, especially if that topic involves anything financial. The Social Security seminars and webinars provide that opportunity. Therefore, do not be afraid to share your Social Security knowledge. Many who come to know you may not need your services, but will know of someone else who does. Developing trust to expand your business. People want to work with professionals they trust and relate to, especially in the financial services industry. Therefore, developing trust with your clients is paramount to the success and growth of your practice. Adding Social Security advisory services to your business can help it scale and grow, whether it is offered as a separate billable service or included within your overall financial management fee structure. Once you begin to advertise and spread the word to attract new clients, the referrals of individuals who experience your high quality professionalism and expertise with Social Security will grow your business. Regular marketing of your firm's Social Security services and expertise is critical to expanding your business. Live local Social Security events and online webcasts easily attract attendees, each of whom have their own retirement financial concerns that you may be able to help them with. We believe that no retirement plan is complete without a full examination of your client's optimal Social Security claiming strategy. The value of your solid Social Security expertise will provide you with the opportunity to meet new clients who are in the market for an advisor with proven retirement planning skills. Number 5, continuing your professional development by understanding Social Security. Remember, there are over 2,700 current program rules and exceptions to those rules, including the laws, regulations, and commissioner rulings. Like many fields of study, to understand even the most basic rules about Social Security, you first need to understand the terms used, their abbreviations, and those all-important acronyms that any good government program has. At NARSA, our extensive curriculum covers the history of Social Security program, how it is funded, descriptions of the benefits available, and how they are calculated for married, single, divorced, and widowed retirees, and critical information to consider when evaluating the election claiming decision. Special circumstances such as minor children, an adult disabled child, a pension from non-covered employment, working while collecting benefits, and taxation of Social Security benefits are all covered in detail. Social Security disability insurance is discussed, including eligibility criteria, work and medical requirements, and the application and determination process. An introduction to Medicare is presented, covering eligibility requirements for that program, description of Medicare benefits, Medicare gap and supplemental insurance plans, and the Medicare application process. Case examples are used to illustrate various rules and strategies needed to optimize your client's Social Security benefits. At NARSA, the self-study program does all of this. The RSSA course is approved for CPE and CE by the CFP Board for Certified Financial Planners, by NAILBA for the CPA profession, and by the Internal Revenue Service for enrolled agents and other tax return preparers. Our 5-module course includes Social Security basics, advanced topics, bridging to retirement planning, marketing Social Security income planning services, and module number 5, which has the student go through Social Security software cases using the cloud-based Social Security maximization software. The modules are designed so they can be studied and pass them at their own pace, usually in 15 to 25 hours. Each module is divided into chapters with review practice questions, and each module has an exam of 40 multiple choice questions. A passing grade of 75% is required. You may begin the next module when you pass the previous module exam. After passing all 5 courses, you are then eligible to sit for the RSSA competency final exam and receive your RSSA designation. In conclusion, Social Security expertise is a valuable commodity in the retirement financial market space. Individuals searching for answers to their Social Security questions often find it difficult to locate an expert who can help them. Their lack of knowledge, combined with the myths and half-truths that they have been told, can lead individuals to select claiming strategies that are not optimal for them. Whether you want to differentiate yourself from your competitors, support your existing clients, or attract new business, becoming a Social Security expert will help you achieve those goals. The Social Security election decision can reveal the need for other retirement-related services and products as well. Helping your clients make the choice of an optimized Social Security decision can affect the life of their portfolios and their standard of living in retirement. I wanted to leave you with a list of some further resources for more information. At rssa.com, you can find our official registered Social Security analyst website. You can also visit narssa.org. That's NARSSA.org. Social Security SSA.gov is the Social Security Administration's official site. I recommend that everyone log on to that and create a My Social Security account so that you can go in and review your earnings record on your statement. The Center for Retirement Research, Boston College, has a great deal of information on all aspects of retirement, and also the National Committee to Preserve Social Security and Medicare. So that's it. It has been a pleasure presenting for you today. Thank you so much, and always feel free to reach out to me with your questions and comments. Thank you.